Welcome to Health and Wellness. Today we're focusing on holistic travel tips. Traveling, whether for business or pleasure, can often disrupt our regular health routines. It's crucial, however, to maintain our wellness even while on the move. After all, we want to return from our trips feeling rejuvenated, not run down. In today's video, we'll delve into 3 key aspects of wellness while traveling. We'll start by exploring how to snack smart, ensuring we nourish our bodies with the right kind of fuel. Next, we'll talk about the importance of staying active, even when cramped in a plane seat or a hotel room, with some simple stretching and exercise routines. Lastly, we'll discuss how to incorporate mindfulness practices into our travel schedules, helping us stay present and enjoy each moment of our journey. So, buckle up and prepare to take notes. Let's embark on this journey to better health and wellness together. Firstly, let's talk about the importance of smart snacking. When you're on the move, it's easy to succumb to the convenience of fast food or sugary snacks. But these quick fixes can leave you feeling sluggish and may even disrupt your travel experience. That's where smart snacking comes in. Smart snacking is all about choosing foods that provide long-lasting energy and keep you feeling full and satisfied. This not only helps you maintain your energy levels, but it can also keep your mood steady and your mind sharp. It's especially crucial when you're navigating new places, adjusting to different time zones, or just trying to make the most of your travel experience. So, what does smart snacking look like? Here are a few examples. Nuts are a fantastic option. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, all of which can help keep your energy levels steady. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, you name it. Just a small handful can go a long way. Dried fruits are another excellent choice. They're lightweight, non-perishable, and can satisfy a sweet tooth without the sugar crash. Think apricots, dates, raisins, or even banana chips. They're nature's candy, after all. And let's not forget about protein bars. When choosing a bar, look for one with a simple list of ingredients and a good balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These bars can be a meal replacement in a pinch and can easily be stashed in your carry-on or day pack. Now, we're not saying you can't indulge a little on your travels. After all, food is a big part of the travel experience. But being mindful about your snack choices can make a world of difference to your energy levels, mood, and overall wellness. Remember, smart snacking is key to maintaining energy and wellness on the go. So next time you're packing your bags, don't forget to include a few nutritious, travel-friendly snacks. Your body and your travel experience will thank you. Next, we'll cover the topic of exercise and stretching while traveling. Now you might be thinking, exercise on vacation? You've got to be kidding me. But hear me out. Physical activity is not only essential for our overall health, but it's also a fantastic way to combat the lethargy and stiffness that can come from long flights or car rides. And no, I'm not suggesting you need to find a local gym or go for a 5-mile run every day. There are plenty of simple, effective exercises and stretches you can do right in your hotel room or even during a layover at the airport. Let's start with some basic stretches. These are designed to help improve your circulation, flexibility, and help alleviate any aches or pains from being cooped up in a plane or car. Try a simple forward bend to stretch out your hamstrings and lower back. Stand up straight, bend at the waist, and let your arms hang down towards the floor. Hold for about 20 seconds, then slowly roll back up to standing. You can also try a seated twist to stretch your spine and shoulders. Sit on the floor with your legs straight out in front of you, then bend one knee and cross it over the other leg. Twist your torso towards the bent knee, using your arm for leverage. Hold for 20 seconds, then switch sides. Now let's move on to some exercises. These can help get your heart rate up a bit and fight off any travel-induced lethargy. Jumping jacks are a great full-body exercise that requires no equipment. Try doing 3 sets of 20 whenever you're feeling a bit sluggish. Or if you're in a more confined space, try some high knees in place. Stand up straight and march in place, bringing your knees up as high as they can go. Aim for 1 minute, then rest and repeat. But what are the benefits of all this stretching and exercising while on the go? Well, firstly, it's a great way to improve your circulation, which can often be compromised during long periods of sitting. Improved circulation can help prevent blood clots, reduce swelling in your legs, and just generally make you feel more energized. Secondly, physical activity can help reduce fatigue. It may seem counterintuitive, but getting your body moving can actually give you more energy, not less. Plus, it can help regulate your sleep, which is especially important when you're dealing with jet lag. Lastly, exercising and stretching can just make you feel good. It releases endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, which can help reduce stress and improve your mood. So there you have it. A few simple stretches and exercises that you can do almost anywhere, and some compelling reasons to make them part of your travel routine. Remember, even a little bit of movement can go a long way in improving your health and well-being while on the go. No matter where you are, there's always an opportunity to move your body and boost your health. Now, let's delve into the world of mindfulness practices for travelers. Mindfulness, at its core, is all about being present and engaged in the moment. It's about acknowledging and accepting one's feelings, thoughts, and bodily sensations. When we travel, our minds can often be scattered, preoccupied with itineraries, sightseeing, and the excitement of new experiences. But incorporating mindfulness into your travels can help manage stress, promote relaxation, and truly enhance your travel experience. Let's start with meditation. This practice involves focusing your attention and eliminating the stream of jumbled thoughts that may be crowding your mind. Meditation can be as simple as finding a quiet space, closing your eyes, and concentrating on your breathing. Just 10 minutes a day can help reduce stress, increase calmness, and promote happiness. You don't need any special equipment or a specific location, making it an ideal practice to maintain while on the road. Next, let's talk about deep breathing. This is a simple yet powerful mindfulness practice that can be done anywhere, anytime. When we're stressed, we tend to take shallow, quick breaths. Deep breathing involves taking slow, deep breaths, which sends a message to your brain to calm down and relax. So when you're waiting for your flight or sitting in a cab in traffic, take a few moments to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold for a few seconds, then exhale slowly through your mouth. It's a quick and easy way to achieve a state of calm amidst the chaos of travel. Journaling is another great mindfulness practice for travelers. It allows you to process your experiences and emotions, providing a healthy outlet for self-expression. Whether it's jotting down your thoughts about a new city, sketching a beautiful landscape, or recording a memorable conversation, journaling can help you be present and fully appreciate the moment. Plus, you'll have a personalized memento of your journey to look back on. Lastly, don't forget the power of mindful observation. This is particularly beneficial when traveling as it encourages you to fully immerse yourself in your surroundings. It could be as simple as savoring the taste of a local dish, attentively listening to the sounds of a bustling market, or watching the sunset over a foreign skyline. By focusing on these experiences, you can connect more deeply with your travel destination and create meaningful memories. Remember, mindfulness isn't about perfection. It's about making the conscious effort to be present and engaged in the moment. Some days it might be effortless, while other days it might feel like a challenge, but that's okay. The goal is to make mindfulness a consistent part of your travel routine. Incorporating mindfulness into your travel routine can make a world of difference in your overall wellness. So whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first adventure, I encourage you to explore these mindfulness practices. Safe travels, and remember, the journey is as important as the destination. Now that we've covered these aspects of holistic travel, let's bring it all together. It's time for a little recap. We've journeyed through various ways to maintain wellness while on the move, and they all boil down to 3 essential practices: snacking smart, staying active, and practicing mindfulness. When it comes to snacking smart, remember, it's all about balance and preparation. Packing your own healthy snacks not only saves you money, but also ensures you have nutritious options on hand. Opt for whole foods like fruits, nuts, and seeds that are rich in essential nutrients, and will keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout your journey. Next up, staying active. Long hours of sitting during travel can take a toll on your body. Incorporating simple yet effective stretching routines and exercises into your travel itinerary can significantly combat fatigue, boost your mood, and keep your body feeling limber and relaxed. Don't underestimate the power of a good stretch or a brisk walk around the terminal during layovers. And finally, mindfulness. Amid the rush and excitement of travel, it's easy to lose sight of the present moment. Practicing mindfulness can help keep you grounded, reduce stress, and enhance your overall travel experience. Whether it's through meditation, focused breathing, or simply taking a moment to appreciate your surroundings, mindfulness is your ticket to a more peaceful and enjoyable journey. All these elements work together in harmony, creating a holistic approach to travel that puts your health and wellness at the forefront. It's not just about reaching your destination, but also about the journey you take to get there. So, as you embark on your next adventure, keep these tips in mind. Pack your healthy snacks, squeeze in those stretches and exercises, and take a moment to simply be present. You'll be amazed at the difference these small changes can make, not just on your travels, but also on your overall well-being. Remember, no matter where your travels take you, your health and wellness are always within your control. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health and wellness. It's been a pleasure sharing these holistic travel tips with you. Whether you're embarking on a long-haul flight or a weekend road trip, remember these nuggets of wisdom. Pack those healthy snacks, full of nutrients to keep your energy levels up. Make time for stretching and exercise, even if it's just a simple routine in your hotel room. And don't forget to slow down, taking mindful moments to breathe and appreciate your surroundings. Your next trip can be more than just sightseeing or an adventure. It can be a journey of health and wellness. We hope these tips not only make your travels more enjoyable, but also contribute to your overall well-being. And so, as you pack your bags for your next journey, keep these tips in mind. Safe travels, and remember to prioritize your health and wellness wherever you may go.